fin de la línea. Por favor, verifique sus objetos personales. Gracias por usar el A-Train.
At the train station, so I'm going to wait for another train that will take me to Market Center. Yeah, so that's the train I came with, a train, so I'm going to wait for another one which will take me to Dallas Market Center. So this train right here, you see, as you can see, it's Denton. It takes you to University of North Texas. It's a university, so that's where you will go if you boarded this train. So I'll wait for a train coming from this end to pick me up to Market Center. It's chilly kind of, I think. Yeah, it's chilly. Just one like that one. So that's what I'm waiting to board, and then off to Dallas. So it's green line I'm going to board. I think the one coming from this side is a little bit late, so they're supposed to intersect here, but it's late. Here come the train. This is the train I'm going to board. Almost empty and it's still clean. Not much going on.
Attention GoPass users. Be sure to activate your pass prior to boarding the train and be ready to show your active ticket to fare enforcement.
Turn left onto Texoke Avenue, then turn right onto Medical District Drive. Head northeast on Medical District Drive. In 800 feet, turn right onto Bengal Street.
Arrived at my last station, so I don't know which side. So that's the train I don't know which side I'm supposed to go, but I'm supposed to board. I don't know. Goes to the parking lot. Good. Market center. I wonder where it is now. But I'll figure out. So this is the market center train station, guys. I just got here. Parking lots, and then there is flyover. I don't know where it's going to, but I don't know. I guess I'm supposed to take a cab to the market. So I'm going to request an Uber. I'm going to request an Uber here, right here. Yeah, but this is the place. This is the market center train station. I think this is my way out, but I'm not sure. But I think this is a parking lot. That's what I think. I think this flyover goes to the parking lot and nowhere else. That's my thinking. Because where does it go anyway? So I'm just going to board a cab here, a taxi, an Uber or Lyft to the market center. I'm running out of time. It's closing by 5. So there is a lift. Apparently there is a lift that will take me somewhere that I can be picked by a cab. So I'm going to take this lift upstairs, then I'll walk to somewhere, I think. Okay. So I'm getting into the elevator to take me up now. Where am I going? Up? Oh Jesus. Up, I think, right? Not sure. It's taking me up. So yeah. See that? See that? So the elevator took me upstairs and now I'm going to... Oh, Lord. So easy. So how do I get up? Press the call button for entry. And there, press the call button. See that? Call button. And
Take first.
hey, my name is Nelly. I'm trying to get to the market center.
Just pull the door, pull the handle.
Pull?
I'll be locked. Open it.
Okay, thank you. You see that, guys? I never knew it's that easy. Oh my goodness. Hey. So I'm on top, I'm on rooftop. So hey, am I getting lost? I don't know. I'm not sure, but I'll just go anyway. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I'm lost. So that is the train right there. So that is the train I boarded. Woo. I don't know. I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing. So this is Dallas. So I'm going to Dallas Market Center. Hey, this is interesting. Stair. Stair? I don't know. My first time here. So I'm assuming I'm going to take this lift downstairs. So this is a rooftop. Hey, how are you? This is my first time here. I need your help. So I was told when I get here, I should call a number for a shuttle to pick me up to Market Center. Are you aware? You don't know? Okay, thank you.
I know sometimes they pick up people like sitting right here, but I didn't see nobody when I walked in.
Okay, all right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, so I'm outside the Market Center. So apparently I have to wait for a shuttle to pick me up. So this is how it looks like. So you take an elevator from the train station, and then you stand here, and then you call a number, they take your details, and then they send a shuttle over here to pick you up. So I'm just still here waiting. The Market Center closes at 5. So I'm just like, okay, I just have a few minutes, but I'm still here. YouTube is not easy, guys. Look at where I am. It's nowhere. Nobody. Just me and me. Oh my God. That's what it took me to get to the front. It's very far. Parking lots, oh my God, that's scary sometimes. It's what it took me to get to the front. Some places are not accessible, not easily accessible. So you have to have a car for you to function here. It has taken me a very long time to get here.
Head east toward Trade Mart.
See that, guys? Look where I am. I'm very far from the world, I'm telling you. So I will just go this way. Just go this way. I want to see the front. That's my energy. I have to see the front. See? So I wanted to go to market center, but apparently I cannot. So you have to be registered for you to go inside. So the security lady told me you have to register for you to get in. And by the time I got there, it's closed. So she told me I have to come tomorrow, register for me to get there. So what I'm going to do, you see this place, oh my God, some places are not accessible at all. Look at that. There is a sidewalk, but still it's a struggle, I'm telling you. So wow, this is the market center. It's a huge one. So you have to be registered, guys, for you to go inside. The weather is so good, oh my God. The weather is so good. See? Couldn't just go inside. I think there is a bus, that one, that goes to. I think I need to catch a bus. That's what I think. So, the best. Oh yeah. The best. I'm packing. I needed a bus. A parking.